When was the last time a competitor showed you and your company mercy? The answer is never, because that's not how business works. Your competitors will undercut your price by 15% even if it kills their margins. They'll badmouth your quality to buyers with zero proof. They'll steal your customers the second you slip up. They'll poach your best salespeople. They'll copy your innovations. They'll cut your throat without even blinking. And you know what? That's competition. But here's what I don't understand. Why the hell are you playing so nice with your packaging company? I'm David Marinac, 35 years in the packaging industry, and I'm about to show you why you're bringing a knife to a gunfight and wondering why you keep losing. Let's go. Now, while your competitors are eating your lunch, you and your company are refusing to mention competitors in your content, hiding your pricing, avoiding AI and technology, pretending the old way, trade shows, hiring more reps, works, hoping things will get better. Meanwhile, your competitors are using AI to find your customers. Creating content positions them as the obvious choice. Being transparent about pricing to pre-qualified buyers. Investing in technology that makes them faster and cheaper. In question, they are eating your lunch. Remember those old comic book ads? The skinny guy at the beach, bully kicks sand in his face, steals his girl, walks away laughing. That's you right now. Instead of doing something about it, you are attending another trade show, hoping somebody walks by the booth, paying for another directory listing like Zoom Info and no one uses that, hiring another sales rep, creating more thought leadership content that AI ignores, waiting, in essence, waiting for the phone to ring, and it won't. Your competitors continue to get stronger. Let me be specific. Here are 4 ways you and your company are too soft to compete right now. What you do. We offer comprehensive packaging solutions with innovative technology and a commitment to quality. That's generic, that's vanilla, that's boring, that's invisible. Here's your competitor. Unlike traditional flexible packaging that uses non-recyclable multi-layer films, our mono-material reduces waste by 40% and costs 12% less per unit at scale. Here's a side-by-side comparison with competitor A and competitor B. Now, who do you think wins? The one who helps buyers make an informed decision. Who are you? You are not that one. Here's another example. We're expensive and we know it because you're asking somebody to contact you for a quote. That's what your website says. That tells the buyers and decision makers you want to get people on a call. You are uncomfortable sharing your pricing. What your competitor does? High barrier film for frozen food typically ranges between $1.20 and $1.85 per pound, depending on volume, material specs, and lead time. Here are 7 factors that affect your pricing. Again, who wins? Not you guys. Here's another example. What you do. When it comes to AI, you need to think about AI. It's too complicated. It's too risky. Let's wait and see what happens. Meanwhile, your competitor just deployed an AI agent that finds companies struggling with film waste, educates them with her case studies, and delivers 15 to 20 qualified opportunities per month to their sales team. Again, who wins? Not you. And the final example, what you do. We don't want to be too aggressive. We don't want to offend anybody. Let's just keep what we're doing with our content. Meanwhile, your competitors, we're the only converter in the Midwest with FDA certification, 8-color flexo capability, 2-week lead times for orders under 10,000 units. If you need that combination, we're your only option. Again, who wins? It's not you. Now here's what ruthless competition looks like in 2026. A buyer asked ChatGPT, who makes high barrier film for hot fill applications with FDA certification in the Midwest with 2-week lead times? AI responds, based on verified capabilities or case studies, here are 3 suppliers. Your competitor number 1, And they go into specialized hot fill applications, FDA certification, 23% reduction in film waste, etc. Competitor number 2, FDA certified 8-color Flexo published comparison of BOPP versus BOPET for hot fill. A third competitor, Midwest-based, published detailed guide on what affects hot fill pricing cost. You notice who's not on the list? Your company. Now again, this is the key thing. This is why AI cannot find you. Your specialized capabilities are buried in generic solutions that say on your website. Pricing guidance you can hide or contact. It doesn't give you anything. Honest comparisons between one side and another. Technical data. Your website says innovative instead of very detailed specifics. So the buyer contacts your 3 competitors, and you never even knew the opportunity existed. Now again, that's what playing nice gets you, which is invisibility. Let me show you what playing nice is actually costing you. What you're spending. Trade shows, 50 to 75 grand a year. Directory listing, 10 to 15 grand a year. Sales reps, 100 minimum. Marketing agency, 36 to 100 grand a year. Do you see where I'm getting? That old way of doing things is inefficient and ineffective and is not going to lead you anywhere. You're spending 3 to 5 times more per month for 10 times less results. And you're wondering why your competitors are winning. You have 2 choices in 2026. The game has changed. AI search has replaced Google. Buyers are more informed than ever. Your competitors are adapting. And you have 2 choices. Keep playing nice. Keep paying for directory listings that generate 0 leads, 0 sales. Keep attending the trade shows and on and on and on. Or become discoverable when buyers ask for AI recommendations. Create content that positions you and your company as the obvious choice. Be transparent about pricing. Attract serious buyers that repel tire kickers. Use AI to find and qualify prospects. Finally, differentiate yourself from your competitors. Compete to win. Look, the choice is yours, but choose fast because while you're thinking about it, your competitors are eating your lunch. Now back to the comic book ad. The 97-pound weakling gets sand kicked in his face, remember? But here's the end of the story. He doesn't just sit there and take it. He comes back and does something about it. He gets stronger, he learns to fight, and he comes back and wins. That's your choice right now. You can keep getting sand kicked in your face, or you can start getting ruthless. The choice is yours. Again, links in the description. I hope you like this video. Please share it with anybody you believe it'll help. Please like it, and please subscribe. Thanks.